Okay, number 4 of our 35 QuickBooks 2013 tips and tricks using keyboard shortcuts to speed up entry. Okay, this is a little bit unusual because I'm really not going to do this on the computer because you couldn't see my keyboard. But we did an article on this, so you can easily print this and find this, and we put the most common ones, and they're really kind of broke them into 3 categories. And I am going to show you a couple of them so you see how they work. The first ones are just kind of maneuvering around, like display the chart of accounts, copy a selection, Control C, Control D, delete a check, and edit transaction, display the find window. Those aren't any big deal. I mean, if you learn them, that's good. If not, you can find these, but they speed things up a little bit. These I want to show you. These are, calculation key tricks and QuickBooks data field tricks. So let me slide this over so I get it out of the way. And let's kind of show you this one. Let's write a check, all right? We're gonna write a check, and it doesn't matter who to. Let's see who we have here. Let's just pick somebody off their list because remember this is it's a telephone bill. All right. So we're gonna continue. We're not gonna worry about paying bills here. Just gonna put it in, right here. Let's say I'm sitting with 2 bills in front of me. I have the first bill, 92.57, and I have a second bill that I'm late on. So I can see it by hitting the plus key, it acts like a calculator. So pretty much anywhere that I have, I can do a calculation key. Now, there's a couple things I can do, that gets a 194, but I'm only going to pay 70, I'm not going to pay the past due amount, so I subtract that. I'm just going to write a check, so I hit a minus, see? I might have 150 and I'm going to pay half, so I hit that key right there. And that stands for division. It's the slash right above the number 8 on most keyboards. Okay. And when I hit enter, hitting enter is what does the calculation. So if I do 5 plus 5 plus 6, once I hit enter it totals it. But the key thing is I can hit plus something again, 12, hit enter again, times 24, okay, 25, minus 15 divided by 13, see what I'm saying? I can go on forever, it really doesn't matter. The second thing I was talking about the date field. If I'm in the date field and I hit the plus key, it increases it by 1 day. I'm hitting the plus key. You can't see it because you can't see my keyboard. But I can obviously just click here and pick the date, but if I just missed by a day, I can hit the plus or minus key. That's the minus key goes down 1, the plus key goes up 1. All right. T, the letter T, takes it to today's date. It's assuming it's 12/15/2017. All right. Y, the letter Y, takes you to the beginning of the year. The letter R takes you to the end of the year. The letter M takes you to the beginning of the current month, and the letter H takes you to the last day of the current month. And I'll be honest with you, most people just remember the plus and the minus, T for today and Y for the beginning of the year, and that's about it. The rest they use the calendar. But until next time, that's some keyboard shortcuts that help you keep your hand on a keyboard off the mouse and speed up entry. All right, until next time, thank you very much.